Hello and welcome to Lesson 21, Menu. In this lesson, we will have a closer look at the menu and you will learn about different dishes you will find at a German restaurant. Let's start. We will start with the appetizers. In German, we say Vorspeisen. Vorspeisen. The first appetizer is a mixed salad. Mixed salad in German is gemischter Salat. Gemischter Salat. Salat is masculine, der Salat. The second appetizer is a green salad. We call it grüner Salat. Grüner Salat. Again, Salat is masculine, der Salat. So mixed salad, gemischter Salat. Green salad, grüner Salat. Let's continue with soups. In German, Suppen. Die Suppen. The first soup is tomato soup. In German we say Tomatensuppe. Tomatensuppe. Tomatensuppe is feminine. Die Tomatensuppe. As you can see, the word tomato soup consists of two words. The first word is tomato, which is die Tomate. Die Tomate. The plural form of tomato is Tomaten, die Tomaten. And then we have the word soup, which is Suppe. Die Suppe. So tomato soup, die Tomatensuppe. Let's continue with pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup in German is Kürbissuppe, which is feminine, die Kürbissuppe. Again, here we have the word pumpkin, which is Kürbis, der Kürbis, and again the word soup, which is die Suppe. Pumpkin soup, Kürbissuppe. Main dishes, in German we say die Hauptspeisen. Die Hauptspeisen. The first main dish looks like this and we call it Schnitzel, Schnitzel. Schnitzel is a boneless meat which is coated with flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs, and then it will be fried. Schnitzel can be made out of veal, chicken, beef, turkey, or even pork. Maybe you have heard about the famous Wiener Schnitzel, which actually comes from Vienna, but in Germany it's famous as well. Let's have a look at the second main dish, which is beef steak. Beef steak in German is Rindersteak. Rindersteak. For beef itself, we have the word das Rind, and steak, das Steak, das Steak. So beef steak, Rindersteak. And then of course we have fish. In German we say der Fisch. Der Fisch. Beef steak, Rindersteak, and fish, der Fisch. If you don't eat meat, you can ask, do you have vegetarian dishes? In German we say, haben Sie vegetarische Gerichte? Haben Sie vegetarische Gerichte? Haben Sie means do you have? Vegetarische means vegetarian, and Gerichte means dishes, which is feminine and plural. Die Gerichte. The singular form of dishes is das Gericht. Das Gericht, which means dish. Do you have vegetarian dishes? Haben Sie vegetarische Gerichte? Now let's have a look at the side dishes. Die Beilagen. Die Beilagen. For the side dishes we have fried potatoes, die Bratkartoffeln. Die Bratkartoffeln. Brat comes from the word braten, which means to fry, and Kartoffeln is the plural form of die Kartoffel. Die Kartoffel, which means potato. So the plural form is die Kartoffeln. Die Kartoffeln. Fried potatoes, die Bratkartoffeln. Mashed potatoes, Kartoffelbrei. Kartoffelbrei. Kartoffelbrei is masculine, der Kartoffelbrei. Brei or der Brei means porridge. We also have another word for mashed potatoes, which is Kartoffelpüree. Kartoffelpüree, which is neuter, das Kartoffelpüree. Püree or das Püree is puree. Das Püree. So mashed potatoes, Kartoffelbrei or Kartoffelpüree. Let's continue with dessert. Der Nachtisch. Der Nachtisch. The first dessert is fruit salad, Obstsalat. Obstsalat, which is masculine, der Obstsalat. You already know both words. The first word is Obst, das Obst, which means fruit. And the second word is Salat, der Salat, which means salad. So fruit salad, Obstsalat. Let's continue with a famous German dessert, which is apple strudel. In German we say Apfelstrudel. Apfelstrudel, which is masculine, der Apfelstrudel. So der Strudel, which means strudel. Normally, apple strudel is served with vanilla sauce. In German we say Vanilla Soße. Vanilla Soße, which is feminine, die Vanillesoße. For the word sauce, we have two common words for that in German. The first one is die Soße, and the second one is exactly like in English, die Soße as well. Apfelstrudel, Apfelstrudel. Vanillasauce, Vanillesoße. Let's continue with drinks. Die Getränke. Die Getränke. Water in German is das Wasser. Das Wasser. Wasser mit Kohlensäure. Wasser mit Kohlensäure means carbonated water. And Wasser ohne Kohlensäure means non-carbonated. Wasser mit Kohlensäure. Wasser ohne Kohlensäure. Let's continue with wine. Der Wein. Der Wein. Or the plural form, die Weine. Die Weine. Here we have red wine, which is Rotwein, Rotwein, and white wine, Weißwein, Weißwein. Der Wein, die Weine, Rotwein, Weißwein. Let's continue with one of the most important drinks Germany is famous for, beer. In German we say das Bier. Das Bier. In Germany you will find many different kinds of beer, but in this lesson I want to introduce to you to two different varieties. The first one is dark beer. In German we say dunkles Bier. Dunkles Bier. And light beer, helles Bier. Helles Bier. If you want to order a dark beer, it is enough to say Ich hätte gern or ich hätte gerne ein dunkles bitte. Ich hätte gern ein dunkles bitte. And if you want to order a light beer, you just say Ich hätte gern ein helles bitte. Ich hätte gern ein helles bitte. Now let's review what you just learned from the previous lessons. The first sentence is, I would like to have a mixed salad, please. Please repeat after me. Ich hätte gern einen gemischten Salat, bitte. I would like to have beef steak with fried potatoes, please. Ich möchte gern einen Rindersteak mit Bratkartoffeln, bitte. I would like to have a non-carbonated water, please. Ich hätte gern ein Wasser ohne Kohlensäure, bitte. Now you know what kind of food you will find in a German restaurant, and the last thing I want to add is enjoy your meal. Guten Appetit!